In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gemini API access. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a secure API key you can use to authenticate your apps with Google's Gemini models. First, head over to Google AI Studio in your browser and sign in using your standard Google account. If you're already logged in, you'll land right on the dashboard. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're using the one you want associated with your development work to keep access and billing organized. If this is your first visit to AI Studio, you'll be prompted to review and accept the terms of service. Take a moment to read through them so you understand usage policies and any regional or data handling notes. Once you accept, you'll be taken back into the app to continue. From the AI Studio interface, look for the section labeled API Keys. This is your control center for creating and managing credentials. Open it to view any existing keys tied to your account and projects. Next, choose the option to create a new API key. You'll be asked to provide a name and confirm the project. The name is just for your reference, so pick something descriptive that reflects where the key will be used. Think along the lines of app name plus environment like web backend prod or mobile dev. Selecting the correct project helps you track usage, apply quotas, and manage access cleanly as your team and apps grow. After naming and selecting the project, go ahead and create the key. AI Studio will generate a new key string for you immediately. This key is effectively a password for your application, so handle it carefully, copy it now, and store it somewhere secure. A best practice is to place it in an environment variable or a secrets manager rather than hard coding it into your source code. Never share it in screenshots, tickets, or chat messages, and don't commit it to public repositories. If you ever suspect it's been exposed, you can rotate it by creating a new one and disabling the old key. Once you've safely copied the key, close the dialog. You'll see your new key listed in the API Keys page, where you can view metadata, restrict usage, regenerate, or delete it later if needed. That's it. You signed in to Google AI Studio, accepted the terms if prompted, opened the API Keys section, created a key with a clear name and project, copied it securely, and closed out. You're now ready to plug this key into your app or SDK of choice to start calling the Gemini API responsibly and securely.